Hello and welcome to IB Times TV. I'm Jessica Minton. The trial of one-time Democratic presidential hopeful John Edwards opened Monday with the former U.S. Senator from North Carolina fighting charges that could carry a maximum 30-year prison sentence and $1.5 million in fines. Edwards faces 6 felony counts in federal court for allegedly conspiring to take illegal campaign contributions to cover up an affair with staffer Rielle Hunter. In a surprising twist Monday, the judge told the court that a key prosecution witness contacted other witnesses to ask them about their planned testimony. And former Edwards aide Andrew Young may have just violated federal law with those phone calls. Young detailed today in court the intricate system they allegedly created to funnel money to Edwards so he could pay expenses for his pregnant mistress and to hide her existence. Young is accused of not only funneling money to Hunter, but also falsely claiming that her child was his. Ultimately, the case revolves around the prosecution convincing the jury that John Edwards was out to deceive his wife, Elizabeth Edwards, who was battling cancer at the time of the affair, and that he wasn't trying to influence the 2008 election. Thanks for watching. I'm Jessica Minton for IB Times TV.